Have you ever looked at a bowl of rice and wish it smelled a little bit more like... Well, today on Le Garçon de Cuisine, I'm gonna show you how to make your very own beef bowl, or gyudon for you weebs out there. Wash your fingies real good, and let's go. Gallivant to your fridge and locate your conveniently labeled gyudon cabinet. In there, you will find thinly sliced beef that has been cut to fit into your unusually tiny mouth, sliced onions that made you cry big boy tears earlier, and chopped green onions for decorative purposes only. Next, open your "I've ascended to full grandma" cupboard and pull out some shoyu, mirin, sake, not for drinking I swear, and bonito powder. Into a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of the Nihongo liquids and 2 teaspoons of the fish stank dust. Give it a lazy mix, and now you're ready to cook. On a pan that's about half the heat of Satan himself, add a smidge of oil and dump in your sliced onions. After you swirl and toss them around, they should eventually turn more translucent and flaccid. At this point, poop in your beef along with 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. This will help tenderize and caramelize the meat for extra. Once the beef has left Red City and entered Brown Town, pour in your witch's brew of Japanese seasonings from earlier. Let that simmer away for a couple of minutes and wait until the inherent scent of alcohol dissipates into the void. When the liquids fully fuse into the meat and onions, give it a little taste test to see if it's to your liking. And if you don't instantly die from how good it is, then it's finally done and ready to plate up. For plating, just plop your beef over that sad bowl of white rice and place some green onion on top to make it look extra purty. And that's basically it. Your gyudon is now ready to stuff into your face. If you somehow made it to the end, please give this video a pity like and subscribe to see more oddly edited cooking content.